Simplify facility and asset condition assessments, cut costs, save time, and reduce operational risks in your construction lifecycle while improving team collaboration. Kahua's adaptive FCA application automates your facility condition assessments with dynamic, real-time asset records throughout the construction lifecycle and beyond. This solution centralizes your asset data, enhances preventive maintenance and continuous facility condition assessments, while streamlining your safety and compliance processes. Track and review the assets of your construction project throughout the lifecycle. Identify and tag asset location for visibility. Monitor and document your asset deficiencies with precision. Record and assign tasks to project teams. Modify and track asset deficiency resolutions. Tailor asset insights to your unique needs. Efficiently manage asset repair costs. Easily access comprehensive facility condition assessment records for documentation, evaluation, and transparency. Kahua empowers owners and contractors to track, record, and evaluate their asset conditions and remaining lifespan, ensuring informed decisions throughout the project lifecycle and beyond. Create and track individual instances of reviewing the condition of your facilities and the assets that exist within them. With Kahua's Facility Condition Assessments application, you have the ability to drill down into your records for informed oversight, quickly access assessment dates, identify asset locations and inspections, and document inspector details. Create comprehensive summaries to ensure detailed assessment records and seamless collaboration. Kahua also allows you to adequately track and record the conditions of your construction project through the assessment of individual assets within your facility, prioritizing maintenance or replacements as needed. With Kahua's adaptable solution, you can define remaining life and planned end dates with ease, enabling proactive decision-making. You also have the ability to estimate total repair costs of assets based on the quantity, unit of measure, and unit repair cost. With Kahua, you can easily identify and report the type of asset deficiencies that need to be resolved by appropriate teams. Kahua's flexible solution lets you customize deficiency values using business terms that match your tracking needs for FCA. You have the ability to define the status of the asset deficiency as active or resolved. You can also record the resolution date appropriately. Kahua's intuitive solution allows you to seamlessly capture multiple individual assets that would be part of the facility condition assessments within a location. You can also expand your view to go in and capture specific information related to each asset. With the media feature, Kahua enables you to include pictures for the operations team to have visual evidence of what they need to work on. Leveraging Kahua's optimized application, you have the capability to save your FCA record, review, and assign project teams to execute specific tasks. You can also include this record in your construction lifecycle management plan. With Kahua's new discussion feature, you can create discussions related to specific facility condition assessments to involve multiple project stakeholders for seamless communication and collaboration. Build smarter with Kahua.